Well, riders, here we are in Mackay for the Mackay Black Dog 2021 one-dayer. This is the current weather. I've got some shelter here under a loading bay. It's supposed to be getting ready to form up or start turning up about half an hour. So hopefully this heavy downpour will pass and we'll be able to get on with the day. But it's really disappointing for the guys so far. I'm sure a lot of people are still going to turn up, but yeah, weather-wise, could be better. All riders, here we are. Rain's broken for a bit. We've got merch hat and we've adopted a Winston. So kids are going to be very, very happy with that. There's only two here to get. We got one of them, so very happy to get a Winston. Might be a bit wet for him to be riding with me today. He'll probably sit in the pannier. We had a short safety briefing and a very personal story from the Bunnings manager who hosted the kickoff, and then we're on the road.
Well, if nothing else, thank you for coming and have a safe ride, and we'll see you at Heath and Marani. Thank you.
All riders, we halfway through the ride stopped at Eaton Hotel for a quick drink. We're going to go back down the highway now and the back way to Marani where there'll be lunch. So despite the wet start, beautiful morning it's turned into. Hope you'll stay that way for the rest of the ride. Come along with us. G'day riders, just had a great day. It's had some lunch at the Marani Hotel. This is the end for me of the Mackay 2021 Black Dog one-dayer ride. My first one of these ever. As you guys know, I'll be going to the Red Centre ride later in August. But I just wanted to take time to introduce Charles Linsley.
Hi everybody.
Charles, you're the organiser of today's ride, is that right,
For my
Charles?
sins, yes I am.
And what's Black Dog about, Charles? Tell us what the intent of Black Dog is and how the rides help.
The elevator speech.
Yes.
The Black Dog ride started about 11 years ago. when a guy called Steve Andrews in WA lost his mother, and his best mate's wife lost his wife in a space of about 4 weeks. Steve Andrews said, "I've got to do something about this." He jumped on his motorbike and he rode around Australia.
Wow.
And on the way around, because he's a lion, all the lions started to support him on the way around. And by the time he got back 2 weeks later, he'd got about 300 riders who helped him along the way and said, "We want to do more of this." So when he got back to WA, he said, "I've got to get this going." And that's basically where the Black Dog Ride started.
Amazing. Well, Charles, you're going to the Red Centre this year as well, so we'll be riding together on that. I'm looking forward to it, Mackay. This is your bike you'll be taking with you?
Yes, this is the one I'll be going to Alice.
Beautiful.
It's a D-Strom DL650.
Yep.
And it just goes and goes.
Thanks, mate. And mine's over the back there, so it's time for me to head home, but it was really great. Guys, if you've never done one of these rides, I thoroughly recommend it. Everyone was welcoming. I had a ball. It was really good. The pace was great. There was no pressure to keep up. It was, you know, and I hadn't ridden Charles that bike. Yes. That's the first time I've ridden that thing in the rain since I've got it. Right. So I was a bit apprehensive about today, and it was great. So, mate, thanks so much, Charles. I had a ball, mate.
And can I just say that if some of your viewers are living in centres where there aren't black dog rides, we're always on the market for new opportunities. We're always looking for coordinators to start new rides around the country. We've got about 45 at the moment, all across Australia, with about 9,000 riders, but we're always open for more coordinators to set up new rides.
Great, thanks, mate. And look, guys, honestly, you know, this particularly blokes, this is something that touches all of us. We all know someone, and you know, I've got a personal story. I think there was a great personal story this morning shared by the gentleman from Patrick from Bunnings. Yep, who looked after us this morning as well. Really great personal story, and it helps you understand and reflect, I suppose, on the challenges we all deal with, and to be there to help each other out. And I think it's a great message. So, mate, Charles, thanks very much, mate. A great day.
You're welcome.
Beautiful.
Great riding with you.
Thanks. Same here.
See you on the way to Alice.